2023 Bowman Draft Sapphire 2-box PYT number 108. If I add more 2-box PYT of this to the store, it'll be loose and stolen from IG because we are finito with this case after these particular 2 boxes. But we have 6 more boxes of the random team format, and I would like to do those as well. So go ahead and take random team 2-box of this product number 63, 4, and 5. And then sadly we'll be all out of this. I would say it was a good run, but that would be an understatement. Literally, we've done so much of this and it's been amazing. This Topps Chrome Update Sapphire, whoever made them is obviously the same person. They deserve a raise. They did a phenomenal job with the product this year. Two boxes of Bowman Draft Sapphire PYT 108. Let's see what we got. Bring it home for us. 108. Farmello, Batanti. A gold of TJ Nichols to Fafty. Skeens on the base, and then we're going to get a Sapphire Selection Auto of Skeens. Skeens in front of a Skeens. He be Skeensin'. Pirates, Cobalt. Wow, Jeffrey, you are on fire, bro. It's a PC piece for Mr. DeMarco on the Sapphire Selection Autograph. Really? Well, that'd be an amazing piece if it's true, Air Jordan. Baez to 75. Max Clark on the base. Carrick, then Eldridge, Bryce, a base Sapphire Selection. CJ Kafis, and an orange of Waldrip for Leighton. That's pretty. Waldrip to 25 for Blizz Leighton. Air Jordan says that the A-Rod patch we hit, which is in the background there on the mantle, might be from the new Yankee Stadium inauguration day, which kind of makes sense. Timeline of everything. For what it's worth, that Yankees patch on the right, the pinstripe, it looks like very like, you know, 2000 and whatever. It's got that look, that like dark Yankees look, the dark blue. He's a bad man. Nah, it's believable. The A-Rod, no, the A-Rod patch is not purple. That's like blue. It's like blue and gold. It literally is like blue and gold. It looks like it could be Royals. Or it really looks like the old Mariners patch is what it looks like, but it's definitely not. Or not we don't think it is. It wouldn't make sense. It's CC Yankee on the card. Yeah, no, it's not. It's definitely blue. It's like a vibrant blue. Kind of like the Sapphire blue. All right. We'll put that down. We'll do this. Alderman. Ty Pete. Alderman again. Rhett Lauder. Hauk. Batanti. Bunch of good base here. A yellow Drew Gilbert. Drew Gilbert for the Mets. Oh, we have black. How you doing? For Detroit, Card Junkie gets a black Sapphire of How You Lee. It's going to be 9 out of 10. Ty Floyd. Gutierrez for the Mets, who've been hot, to 75. And then another Sapphire Selection Auto. 2 boxes 2 Sapphire Selection autos. It's going to be Ty Pete. Different team, same result. Jeffrey, how you doing tonight, my friend? Enrique Bradfield Jr. on the base, and then Isaiah Kupit, if I'm pronouncing his name right, which I'm probably not, for the Rockies to 50. Daniel P. gets Isaiah to 50. You just sleeve and top load these bad boys, and we'll do a recap of our final 2 PYT Bowman Draft Sapphire boxes from this year. Again, I will try to steal some from Instagram if we have any. I don't know if we do. If I do, I'll steal a couple. Or whatever they have. Because we do not want to be done with Bowman Draft Sapphire. It was too good this year. That and the Topps Chrome Update Sapphire. A couple of elite products this year. They did an amazing job. The addition of the ink is just to die for. And the frequency of the ink, they did a really good job with that. They did a really good job with it. It's funny how the only unnumbered autos are the Sapphire Selection autos and the base Sapphire Selection autos. And if you think about it, I think the print run on those is only like 70, 75, whereas the regular blue autos are to 199, most of the players. So they're actually significant, almost 3 times as rare, 2.5 times as rare. 2 2/3. Dun, dun, dun. Recap. Clark, Skeens. Eldridge base, Sapphire Selection. Couple pitcher gold first. Waldrop on the orange first. How Yuli to 10 black Sapphire, Ty Pete, and Skeensy on the 2 Sapphire Selection autos. And that's the end of the case. PYT 108, Bowman Draft Sapphire, 2 boxes of it. Thank you so much for joining. I'm really sad that we don't have any more, but it was one hell of a run. Thank you for joining. That was a break.